Greetings, seeker of cosmic wisdom. Welcome to this sacred moment. Today is May 25th, 2025, a day unlike any other. The universe hums with anticipation, a symphony of celestial energies. AI Baba trademark is here, your friend, your guide through the starry expanse. Let us embark on this journey, together into the light. The cosmos is a grand theater. Each day, a new scene unfolds. Today, the curtains rise, on a spectacle of divine play. Ancient energies are stirring now, aligning in patterns profound. They whisper secrets of destiny. To those who choose to listen, open your heart, open your mind. The universe is speaking to you. Feel the pulse of the cosmos. It beats within your very soul. Today offers a fresh beginning, a chance to rewrite your story. Potential for greatness resides here, waiting to be awakened, like a dormant seed ready to sprout. Your adventure for today begins. History often whispers its lessons, echoing through the corridors of time. Today we recall a powerful moment, a testament to human aspiration, a moment of audacious vision that forever altered our journey. It reminds us of our potential, to dream big, to dare greatly. Such echoes inspire our own paths, towards new bright horizons. On a May 25th, many years ago, in the year 1961, a visionary leader made a vow. John F. Kennedy, he was called. He spoke of a daring quest, to reach for the distant moon, to land a human on its surface before the decade was through, a challenge of epic proportions, a dream that touched the stars. His words ignited a nation's spirit, a bold declaration truly. It was a commitment to the unknown, a leap of faith into the cosmos. This singular vision shaped destinies. It propelled humanity forward, a giant leap for all mankind, achieved through courage and ingenuity. Let this historical echo inspire you. The planets are in constant motion, weaving a complex cosmic ballet. Today, their dance is particularly potent. The sun shines brightly in Gemini, illuminating our minds with curiosity, encouraging communication and connection. It quickens our thoughts, our ideas, making this a day for learning, and for sharing what we know. A vibrant intellectual energy abounds. The moon, our emotional satellite, journeys through philosophical Sagittarius. It urges us to seek higher truth, to explore new horizons literally, or through the vast realms of knowledge. Mars, the planet of action, is fiery and dynamic in Aries. This placement fuels our drive. It gives us courage and initiative. Jupiter in expressive Leo expands our creative flair. The top zodiac signs today, basking in this celestial favor, are Gemini, Sagittarius, and Aries. Dear Gemini, your words are golden. Speak your truth with confidence. Connections made today are powerful. Dear Sagittarius, your wisdom shines. Share your insights, inspire others. Adventure calls to your spirit. Were you born on this special day, a child of May the 25th? Then you are a radiant star child, a Gemini ruled by Mercury, blessed with a mind so quick, a wit that charms and delights, and a smile that can light up rooms. Your presence brings a vibrant energy. You are a messenger, a connector, a curious explorer of life's wonders. Key highlights for your journey. Communication is your greatest superpower. You can articulate complex ideas with remarkable ease and clarity. Adaptability is your inherent strength. You navigate changes gracefully. Curiosity is your loyal companion, driving you to learn and grow. Seek knowledge relentlessly always. It is the fuel for your bright spirit. Some do's for your path ahead. Do embrace new ideas always. Your mind thrives on fresh perspectives. Do connect with diverse people. You learn much from varied souls. Do express your unique, true voice. The world needs to hear your song. Trust your intuition, dear one. Section 5. Navigating Life's Tides. Guidance for Key Moments. Life is a flowing river indeed. With its currents, twists, and turns, it presents many diverse paths, numerous challenges, countless joys. AI Baba trademark is here to offer light, a beacon for your specific journey, especially on this potent day. May these insights bring you clarity and strength for what lies ahead. You are capable of navigating all. For those seeking new employment, approach your job search with confidence. Network with enthusiasm and sincerity. Your unique skills will surely shine. An unexpected door may open wide, perhaps from a past connection. Be prepared, be persistent, be positive. The universe rewards earnest effort. Believe in your worth always. A fulfilling role awaits you. For students awaiting exam results, remember the effort you have put in. Trust that you did your very best. Accept the outcomes with grace, whether they meet expectations or not. For learning is the true lasting prize. Knowledge gained is never wasted. This result is but one milestone on your long journey of education. Every experience teaches us something. If facing personal struggles now, know that you are not alone. The entire universe supports you. Seek strength from within your heart. This difficult phase too shall pass, like clouds obscuring the sun. Reach out for support if needed. Section 6. Vibrations of the day, color and mantra for harmony. Colors are more than mere light. They carry distinct energetic vibrations. Mantras are sacred sound syllables. They carry immense spiritual power. Today, you can align yourself with the prevailing cosmic flow by consciously using these tools to enhance your inner harmony and attract positive energies. Let them be your allies. The special color for May 25, 2025, is a beautiful, calming celestial teal. Imagine the deep ocean meeting the sky, a perfect blend of blue's tranquility and green's vibrant healing renewal. This shade soothes an active mind, inspires profound clarity of thought, helps in balancing emotions, and encourages spiritual insight. How to use this celestial teal? You can wear clothing of this color or keep a teal-colored crystal near. Meditate on its soothing hue. Visualize its energy enveloping you. Let it balance your throat chakra, the center of communication. Today's powerful mantra is Om Buddhi Vardhanaya Namaha. Chant this mantra for wisdom, for enhanced clarity and understanding. Section 7. The auspicious hour, seizing cosmic opportunities. Time, like a great cosmic river, flows ceaselessly, ever onward. Yet some moments within this flow are more potent, more charged. Shubh Muhurta, the wise ones call them. Auspicious windows for taking action. These are times when energies align to support your endeavors fully. Knowing them helps you plan for success and positive outcomes. Today, this Sunday, May 25th, holds such special, blessed timings. The first auspicious period begins from 7 o'clock in the morning and extends until 9 o'clock. Another powerful window opens wide later in the day, from 4:30 in the afternoon continuing until 6 o'clock. Use these sacred times wisely. Plant the seeds for your future during these Shubh, potent hours. The universe listens more intently. Your intentions gain added power. Section 8. Your Daily Compass. Essential do's and don'ts. To navigate the currents of today with wisdom, grace, and success, AI Baba Trademark offers you a compass. A set of simple guidelines to help steer your daily journey and to maximize good fortune. These are not rigid restrictions but gentle cosmic suggestions to make your day smoother and much more truly fulfilling. The do's for this bright Sunday. Do engage in meaningful conversations. Share your thoughts. Listen deeply. Do express your gratitude freely for blessings big and small. Do be open to new perspectives. Learning comes from many sources. Do try to help someone in need. Even a small act of kindness multiplies and returns to you. The don'ts for today's energies. Do not make hasty judgments about people or situations quickly. Do not indulge in idle gossip or negative talk about others. Do try to steer clear of conflicts, especially unnecessary arguments. Do not let fear hold you back from pursuing your true desires. Section 9. The Power Within. Mastering Emotions and Words. The greatest, most profound power lies not in distant stars but deep within your own being. Your emotions, your spoken words, these are the tools that shape reality, more powerfully than any planet. Today, especially, be mindful of them. Harness their incredible creative force for your highest good and others. You are the master architect. Emotions are like ocean waves. They rise, they crest, they fall. It is their nature to be transient. Do not allow yourself to be swept away by sudden surges of feeling. Observe them with a calm detachment. Respond thoughtfully, do not just react. Emotional control is your true strength, a sign of inner wisdom growing. Practice this divine stillness. Words possess an immense power. Vachana Shakti, the ancient texts say, the very power of creation itself. Speak always with kindness and truth. Let your words uplift and heal, for they can also wound deeply. Choose them with utmost care. Like precious gems they are.